त्रिहान एक ऐसा नाम जहां भरोसा है। भरोसा सिर्फ कस्टमर्स को नहीं, उनके पार्टनर्स को भी त्रिहान ग्रुप पर है कि वो टाइमली इंसेंटिव्स रीइंबर्स करेंगे। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, उनका जो कॉम्पनसेशन है वो बहुत ही मार्केट के हिसाब से काफ़ी प्रोमिनेंट है। हाय, आई एम अमित अरोरा and I am from Realty Smarts. I am the managing director in Realty Smarts. We are one of the real estate consultants basically based in Gurgaon. Our experience when we talk about with Trihan actually has been very, very amazing. It's a journey which we started about 8 months with Trihan, with a journey with Sector 71 project, and with the 71 project success and with Sector 35 now doing, it's an actually journey has been awesome. If you talk about personal, my experience with Saransh, who is the managing director with Trihan, it's absolutely one of the great persons whom we have experienced, not just on the personal basis, but also on the basis of the customer interaction, the way they feel about customer centricity, the way they are punctual about their business. So they're very peculiar about their business, and they are very peculiar about doing things in a very, very professional manner. Saransh, the experience which I had meeting him once, he's a humble person and look forward for customer as their focal point. That's the key for Trihan. If you personally ask me what Trihan and why Trihan, the most fundamental thing is they are a quality conscious developer. They have created their own brand name in Gurgaon, Alwar, Bhiwadi and other areas. And apart from this, they are fabulously doing great work in terms of the delivery time schedules. Their quality construction, their standards are one of the best, and they have tried to maintain the standards across their all products in Gurgaon. I personally wish Trihan Group a great success in the future endeavors, and our association with Trihan just not only drives from the compensation part, it is beyond compensation, it is towards the customer-centric product. The most important thing what Trihan delivers and what we as a company represent, because we want our satisfied customers, we want our customers to get the high value returns from the product which they have delivered, and we look forward for a great term association with Trihan. एक right value services जो वो customer को provide करते हैं, और जो उनका पूरा post sales department है, जो उनका CRM department है, आप किसी समय भी customer को जो भी support expect होता है वो उसे priority पे लेते हैं, और बहुत ही urgent basis पे they do it and they treat customers on their top priority. So आखिरी में सिर्फ यही कहूँगा, त्रिहान है तो भरोसा है।